What do you do when you got a bunch of these little damn tiny washers that you're just trying to clean crud off of? And you start trying to hold them in your hands and you get your wire brush stuck into your fingers and it doesn't feel good. Well, if you've got one of these tools that has a magnetic base with an on-off switch on it, protect the shaft on it. Pop it into a vise. Put your little pieces of metal on there, like so. Twist that lock on and scrub away. Works beauteous. You have to be careful if you're going in this direction because sometimes they will catch and slide, but if you're going crosswise, it seems to work pretty good. Turn the switch off, flip them over. Turn the switch on and do it all over again. I'd say that works good. Shut it off and you can pull the parts right off. Beauteous. That's the end of that tip from BugeyeBob.